We ended it off with Mike or cameraman being Honk for Scream, or being Scream. I am Scream now. Do not stress. All right, back to normal.
We're stressing because we have red on the camera battery.
No battery. Shut up! There's no batteries left.
There's 1%. There's like probably.
Honk your horn, please. Honk your horn. Fuck you, bitch.
There's a guy right there.
Come on, you. Hey, sir, can you at least yell yay? Sir? Sir? Fuck you. Honk your horn, honk your horn, honk your horn, honk your horn.
We didn't get a victory on part 8.
That was a pop, what?
Dude, he's slowing down.
Don't worry about it. Honk your horn. Oh, I stabbed myself in the leg, motherfucker.
Rape!
Oh, get off me, bitch. Fucking club you. Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
Dude, I know how hard it is to see in there now.
Especially because the eyes are like this.
I know. It's like.
So I'm always like this when I'm looking. Honk your horn! Make sure it's still recording.
It's still recording.
Alright. One more.
I'm always watching it. I'm never really watching you. I'm watching the camera. We're just gonna keep going till the battery dies, alright?
Honk your horn! I just told nobody else to turn left. Honk your horn!
Dude, watch out, there's a car!
Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
I'm coming with you. Let's stay in the middle for a while.
I don't know. Until a car comes from over there. Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Come on! Honk your horn, please! Honk your horn! Honk it, honk it, honk it! Fuck you. Yes! We got the victory! Part 9 is over!
Not over.
Oh, it's not? Okay. Get back.
I said we're going till the battery dies.
Oh, shit, yeah. Alright. We're only still get to 10 minutes.
No, I'll only
Yo, now I taste Michael. That's nasty.
How do you taste it?
Because your sweat is in here.
That was fun though.
Oh. Shit, that's a cow. What? Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, you too. Are you still recording? Are you still recording? Let's go.
Let's go. Let's just go.
Alright. Dude, that was probably the scariest thing that ever happened to me. Dude, hey, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, Honk or Scream. Just got stopped momentarily. We'll see you next time, okay? Part 9 is over, seriously.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's just record the walk home.
Alright.
I'm scared. I thought we were gonna be like picked up or something. I knew that would happen sooner or later.
He just didn't want us in the street like we were.
Yeah.
I knew when he was stopping and I'm like, shit, that's the police.
I didn't record him, but he heard you say holy shit.
No, that's not a big deal. Cops don't care about that. He saw us running from a distance, that's why he turned in here.
That scared
I said,
me.
you guys, dude, hey, did you see what I was trying to do? I was trying to hide the knife. I was like this. I was like, yeah, I guess so.
Good thing you didn't see your real knife.
Oh.
Or mine. Or
Yeah. Dude, I'm traumatized.
We're still doing Honk for Scream.
Oh, yeah, this is never going to end. I'm just saying.
Unless if he comes by again and really yells at us, we're going to go to a different... It's not going to end. We're just going to go to a different corner.
I can't see. Can I have my glasses?
Yeah, hang on. Stop for a minute. I know you guys really can't see anything, but this is just kind of like a commentary.
It's just our block. Or his block. Don't bend them, please.
I'm not bending them. This kind of ended earlier this Sunday.
I'm sorry about it, guys. Don't tell your parents.
Not going to. We should not have.
Yeah, he said my dog's gonna bark at you, and I was like, and I didn't understand at first. I walked closer. I'm like, what? Holy shit! He
I would have
laughed.
recorded it, but
He
I
laughed,
did
though.
not want him to see. So I kind of
Because
was
he
just,
would confiscate the camera.
I was kind of just facing the other way, pointing to the ground. But I hope you guys heard
But
that.
you guys heard all of it probably.
We're gonna watch
Alright,
this when we get back in.
Stop when we get back.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah.
later.
Sorry, guys. Next
Later,
week.
guys. Yeah,
Next week.
We'll post them tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.